So, the aftermath. As you can see, this large sunflowers come down, and it looks like all but 2 of the sunflowers are down. That one's done for, but the rest look savable because they're still with their stumps. And apart from it being a little chilly, it's actually a very beautiful morning here in beautiful Nova Scotia. The barn looks much as it did this time yesterday. Apart from the damage to the garden, which may be pretty superficial after all, I think we're pretty much in luck because the storm has passed. Let's do a little survey of the of some of the damage that's been done. It's fairly superficial to that. That one's gone though. Let's take a look around the garden. The power's still out across most of the province of Nova Scotia, but this can be stood up again. The echinacea looks like it'll survive. These have gone. I don't think we'll be recovering those, they're too far gone. The ground hugging stuff looks alright. It's really just the tall stuff that's come. Even the low, these ground hugging tomatoes are fine by the look of them. Not a lot of damage there. Another one that can be stood up, another one that's gone completely. Let's see what we can do with that one up there. That looks like it's gone. Yeah, that's had it. And the top of that one has too, by the looks of things. Not good. These look like they can be stood up. And the scarecrow managed to hit the deck. I think all in all we got off pretty lightly considering it was a Category 2 hurricane. I don't think we've done too bad overall, really, considering none of the animals are damaged. There's no structural damage, there's no loss, the bees are all right. The garden's taken a bit of a pounding, but there's not really much there to cause too many problems. So it looks like the preparations that the family put in prior to the storm hitting really served them well. So, and now it's shaping up to be a bright day. Who'd have thought it? Incredible. The chucks and the ducks look all right, and the sheep. The lamb's looking good. Looks like the turkeys found us. Aspen, what's this one?
I'm making the cockadoodle one.
Cockadoodle one. I saw you catch him. You was rather nimble on your feet catching him, weren't you?
Probably under the meat gets stored in here.
Yeah. He looks healthy. It looks like he's they all look quite happy today, don't they, the chickens? I think it's because they survived the storm and they know it. Well, we've had a bit of a tidy up. We've taken down the broken sunflowers and they're now over there in the compost pit. And we've got the beans to erect next and another sunflower down here. But the losses aren't as bad as we thought. And we've managed to get a couple of meals worth of windfalls out of the garden produce. So not bad at all really. It's things are certainly looking up. Generators pumping away in the background because we're still without power. We've found ourselves at the hide, which is just crosses this track, as you see, and some carefully laid logs and stuff to act as a barrier. And they're now putting up a peanut butter bait. Absolutely gorgeous here. You wouldn't think it was in the aftermath of it. Was it category 2, wasn't it? You have a category 2 hurricane. It's idyllic here. And the one good thing about the hurricane is it's reduced the amount of biting insects that are about. So I'm not getting feasted on with the same savagery as I was last time I was out. Beautiful. Any sign then, Em?
No, not much. There's a few prints, but they're not really.
What, bear spore?
No, they're here. Not much. We're avoiding this, but
Yeah. Man smell, perhaps.
definitely some smell around here.
Yeah. They've been through here, haven't they? That musty smell, you mean?
Yeah.
Definitely been this way. Well, they've got something more to come for now, haven't they? So tell us about this one, Em.
It's just some leftover soup from dinner time.
Yeah.
With some leftover mashed potatoes, cabbage, and 2 smoked Gaspereau fillets that I had.
Oh,
in the
Gaspereau
freezer.
fish, yeah, lovely.
That's pretty much done now.
For the benefit of anyone who doesn't know what a Gaspereau is,
It's a river herring.
Yeah,
It's related to the sea herring, and they come from the sea up the river
yeah.
to breed. So it's basically a herring, just comes into fresh water.
And it was a smoked one you put in it, was
Yeah.
it? Bit of Gaspereau, bit of smoked
It's a
Gaspereau.
bone.
Little, oh yeah, little hair-like bone. So not unlike a herring then, yeah.
They're just the same as herrings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same
Lovely.
family.
And what we got here, this prawn.
Yeah, just
I'm
some
seeing.
prawns.
Am I thinking this might be something like gambas pil?
Yes.
With the
just
butter
something
and-
simple and quick.
Yeah. Well, that'll be nice. We know that's going to be nice.
That will be nice. Very nice indeed.
That, boys and girls, is what we call butter. And this is important, bringing the garlic up to temperature with the butter.
Yeah.
So you don't drop
So you
garlic
don't
into
burn
hot
it.
butter and burn the butter
Yeah.
and burn the garlic.
Otherwise you'll just burn and it doesn't taste very nice.
No. Oh, this is great. Notice we're using the gas because we've
Got no power.
got no power at all.
Not until probably another day, maybe 2 days.
Yeah, all we've got is the camping stove, and we've got electric power, but that's being used to what? Power up.
Yeah, the fridge and the freezer.
And keep my batteries charged and things like that.
Yeah.
That's all that's happening. So
Yeah.
we're just waiting for this to come up to heat, and so Emma will get busy with the prawns, or the shrimp, as some of you may call it. It's a pity you can't be here, boys and girls, right now, because that absolute smell is just pretty damn good.
Just need to wait for it to
just melt through a bit.
Just so the garlic, you can start smelling the garlic.
Yeah. Wonderful. One of the world's greatest, simplest dishes as well, without a doubt. Ladies and gentlemen, Canvas Pill. The prawns have arrived.
And it will take longer to cook because we are on a camping stove, so I can't quite get the heat.
No, we're just going to have to go with what we've got, aren't we?
Go with what we have. And
yeah, I'm sure it'll be perfect. Yeah?
Oh, it will be, yeah.
So what's the name of this place?
This is Greenfield.
Greenfield, and this is where you come.
Lake Pool.
This is where you come fishing. Well, let's see what we can pull out of this lake, shall we? I like how it all comes together. Like a well-rehearsed ballet. Absolutely beautiful.
Need more weight. We'll put more weight in it next time. I need the weight in it.
But you don't get a worm with this one. Oh, you got after. So you should have gone for a spinner and a worm, mate.
Yeah, Maya worm.
No, she gets a chocky bar. That's chocky bar winner. There you are, your chocky bar winner. You got the first fishy.
Put him back, he's a little small. Maya, you're going to go off with the worm, darling.
Maya's got a Tedler.
Oh. Oh, Maya.
It's too small.
Maya's got a fight on her hands, this one. There you go, Maya. Brilliant.
Want to keep this guy?
Yeah, of course.
There you go.
Keep that guy as well.
Little
food
pan
for
size. Yeah, pan size for us.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
25 per person of them you can take. That's how big a problem they are in here. This used to be a really good trout fishery. No trout in it now because of them.
Lovely.
What are you doing?
There you go. Another one. Well done, Maya.
Give him a kiss.
Mm. That guy goes in the bucket.
Juicy dinner. Oh, it's juicy dinner.
Juicy dinner.
Fish food.
There you go, Laura. No, it's weird. I can't get this one out that far, but
This is a non-shore breeze is why. It's blowing it back at you.
Good
Oh, nice.
That's a nice one, isn't it?
Oh, another one. Well done, Aspen.
Keeper.
That's a keeper. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.